Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your homes. So let's start our English class. We had already completed chapter 26, punctuation and capital letters, and today we'll start chapter 27, which is understanding words better, as you can see on your screen over here. Understanding words better. So let's start this chapter. So here you can see many times we get confused with the words like ear and ear. So here you can see ear, Y-E-A-R. Ear means sal, and E-A-R, ear means, you can see the ear means kan, which we used to hear many things. Now here means sunna, and here, H-E-R-E, here means yaha. So let us learn the correct use of some such confusing words. During writing these words, we should have to use our mind. Understand? We have to concentrate that whether it can be Y-E-A-R or E-A-R. According to the sentence, we have to write the correct word in the sentence. Now, except, the pronunciation of both words are same. The sound which will come will be same, only the spelling and the meaning will be different. Understand? Neela, off your mic. Now, accept means I have accepted Monali's invitation. Accept means to accept something. Yes, Arushi, what is the meaning of accept?
मैम मंजूर
मंजूर करना, एक्सेप्ट कर लेना कि चलो मैंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, मैंने एग्री किया उस चीज पे, लाइक. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सेप्ट हियर? EXCEPT. Everyone went to the party except Sonali. Can anybody tell me the meaning of EXCEPT? Except. Except means छोड़कर. Understand? For example, just suppose I'm giving an example that except Sanskar Tiwari, everybody studies very well in the class. That means संस्कार तिवारी को छोड़कर सब लोग अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते हैं. I am using this word EXCEPT, which is accept. Accept means छोड़कर. For example, one more examples you can say that except Neela, everybody is coming to school. नीला को छोड़कर सब लोग स्कूल आ रहे हैं. Understand? So these are the little example. For examples, these things are I said. For example, so you can understand that what is the difference between ACCEPT and EXCEPT. Accept and accept. They both are same in the sound. The pronunciation is same, but the meaning and the spellings are different. Understand? Next word is brake. B-R-A-K-E. Apply the brakes of car. There is a puppy on the road. Brake. You have to tell me the meaning. Understand? And here one more break is here. B-R-E-A-K. That means be careful. Don't break the jar. So who can tell me the meaning of both words? Raise your hand. Who can tell me the meaning? Rishabh. Yes, tell me.
मैम ब्रेक मतलब रोकना.
means.
मैम ब्रेक मीन्स रोकना and मैम ब्रेक मीन्स तोड़ना.
Yes, break means you rokna is not right, but we can say rokna nahi. Break means ki it is type of thing which we use to stop our vehicles. Yes, Arushi.
मैम ब्रेक मीन्स कार को या फिर किसी भी व्हीकल को रोकने के लिए ब्रेक आते हैं तो उसका मतलब ब्रेक
Yes,
होता है.
it's a type of a thing which we use in vehicle to stop our vehicle. And next break, BREAK, that means ki todna, disturb karna. Next word is heal. HEAL and HEEL. HEAL means don't worry, the wound will be healed soon. So here heal means क्या होता है? ठीक हो जाना. And next HEEL, heal means that ankle, that AD of your पैर है ना, जो पैर की AD होती है, that is called heel. She has hurt her heel. Peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace means shanti. We want peace, not war. And P-I-E-C-E, peace, peace means pieces, means bhag. Whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole. Whole means pura ka pura. And H-O-L-E, whole. Whole means sparsh.
Ma'am, it's shade.
Yes, it's a kind of hole. Yes, as you can see here in this picture over here, there is a mouse which is going inside a hole. Now let's move to the exercise of this chapter. Fill in the blanks. I love all subjects except maths. Except, which except will be here? Correct. A double
Ma'am.
C. Raise your hand. Only raise your hand. How many of you can give the answer? Let's see. Avi Gupta, can you give me the answer?
E-X-E-P-T, accept.
Rishabh,
Ma'am, the answer is E-X-E-P-T.
Neela,
Ma'am, the answer is EXEEPT.
Arushi,
Ma'am, accept. E-X-C-E-P-T.
Sparsh,
Ma'am, E-X-C-E-P-T. Accept.
why? Why accept Sparsh? Tell me why. Everybody gave answer. That's why you also gave the answer. Same answer. Tell me the reason as well. That why this except we are using. Why they are not using that except, which is A-double-C-E-P-T instead of E-X-C-E-P-T. Yes, Neela.
Ma'am,
Can you give me the reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead. Tell me.
Because the sentence is about I love all subjects except maths.
That means
Means that if we use except
if you will E-X-C-E-P-T, then if you will use E-X-C-E-P-T, then what will be the meaning of the sentence? Yes, Arushi?
except
Ma'am, meaning of the sentence is I love all subjects, only maths.
Sorry?
मैम इसका मतलब होगा मैं सब सब्जेक्ट लाइक करती हूँ सिर्फ मैथ को छोड़ के.
Maths को छोड़ के, except math. Understand? As I told you that except means छोड़कर, and here next except means स्वीकार करना. Understand? So here this except will be the answer, which is E-X-C-E-P-T. So you should have to understand the meaning as well, not only the answer. Except, that means छोड़कर. I love all subjects except math. A dash of broken cup was lying there. A dash of broken cup was lying there. Which is the answer? P-I-E-C-E or P-E-A-C-E? And you have to tell me the meaning as well. Yes, Neela?
ma'am P-I-E-C-E.
Meaning also. Tell me the meaning also.
Ma'am, a piece of the broken cup was lying in there. मतलब एक कप का टुकड़ा गिरा हुआ था
ठीक है. Okay, Arushi, anyone else? Rishabh?
मैम a peace piece of broken cup was lying there. Meaning of piece means tukda.
PEACE, that doesn't mean tukda. PIECE means tukda. PEACE means shanti. I want peace. Means मुझे शांति चाहिए. PEACE, that means shanti, and PIECE, that means tukda. So here we have to use PIECE, not PEACE. Understand? Next, her dash is hurt badly. Heel or heel? Okay, let me tell you the answer. HEEL. Heel. Heel means, I told you, ankle of the foot. There is a dash on my cupboard. Hole or hole? HOLE or WHOLE? Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, HOLE, hole.
Yes, hole. There is something wrong with my brake. BRAKE or BREAK? Brake. There is something wrong with my brake of the car. कार के brake में कुछ wrong है, कुछ गलत हो गया. We dash your invitation. Now here which accept is correct? ACCEPT or EXCEPT? Yes, Neela.
Ma'am, Karanji. Ma'am,
Yes,
we
yes.
is, ma'am, the answer is ACCEPT, accept.
Why? Tell me the reason.
We expect your invitation means we are sorry. Accept means manzoor.
What is the meaning of the sentence if you will use that accept? What will be the meaning? क्या होगी meaning?
हम तुम्हारे इनविटेशन को मंजूर कर रहे हैं.
Yes, Rishabh.
Ma'am, the answer is ACCEPT.
And what will be the, why it will be the answer? What will be the meaning of the sentence?
Ma'am, because ma'am means मैं तुम्हारा इनविटेशन मंजूर करूंगा.
Yes, Sparsh. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, the answer
That sound on your mic. Yes, Sparsh.
Ma'am, the answer is ACCEPT, accept. Ma'am, the meaning of the sentence, मैं तुम्हारा बर्थडे पार्टी स्वीकार करता हूँ.
Birthday party. It's invitation. आमंत्रण पत्र. The Hindi of that word is आमंत्रण पत्र, निमंत्रण पत्र, anything. So वो मैं स्वीकार करता हूँ आपका. Now next question is, when the kids are home, there is hardly any dash. Piece or piece? Which piece will be the correct answer? PEACE or PIECE? When the kids are home, there is hardly any. Yes, Rishabh.
Ma'am, PEACE.
Why? If NCR
Ma'am, because ma'am means जब किस घर में रहते हैं तब बहुत
your mic is off. Yes. Who can give me the answer? So let me tell you that your answer is correct, but you are unable to give me the translation. Let me tell you. When the kids are home, there is hardly any peace. Means जब बच्चे घर में होते हैं तो बहुत मुश्किल से शांति रहती है घर में. Understand? Hardly any peace means बहुत मुश्किल से शांति रहती है. Otherwise शांति नहीं रहती अगर बच्चे घर पे रहते हैं. This is the meaning of the sentence. Apply the medicine that will dash the wound. Heal the wound or heal the wound? HEAL or HEEL? Yes, Neela.
Ma'am, HEL.
HEAL. Yes, that means ठीक होना. Understand? The dash area is owned by them. Whole area or whole area? Yes, Sparsh.
Ma'am, whole area. WHOLE.
Yes, whole means पूरा का पूरा area. Hold the glass was properly. It might fall and break. BRAKE or BREAK? Yes, Sparsh. Neela.
Ma'am, BREAK.
Yes. I hope that you all have done this exercise. Move to the next exercise of this. Okay, not exercise. Here we are in review 3. Underline the adverbs. Write what kind of adverb they are. Here we have to underline the adverb and we have to write the kind of adverb. So let's start completing this. I hope that you all know that which is adverb here. The baby is playing happily. The adverb is which word is adverb? Happily is adverb.
Yeah.
Which type of adverb it is? It is adverb of quality.
दीदी इसमें एडवर्ब कौन सा है? इसमें एडवर्ब
I looked for him everywhere.
इसमें हैप्पीली हो गया ना.
I looked for him everywhere. Now here which is adverb?
For him everywhere.
Avi Gupta, off your mic. I looked for him everywhere. Here which is adverb? Here adverb is everywhere. Adverb of place. I will return today. Which word is adverb in this sentence? Yes, Avi?
मैम टुडे
Today. Which type of adverb it is? Which type of adverb? Yes, Sparsh?
Ma'am, adverb of time.
Today is adverb of time because it is this word is telling about the time of the verb. Meena calls me often. So here often is an adverb. Which type of adverb? Who can tell me? Neela, tell me which type of adverb is?
An adverb of time.
Often is adverb of frequency. As we studied already in our last chapters. Adverb of frequency. Mohan ran fast. Which is adverb here? Fast. Adverb of quality. I will go there. There. Adverb of there. Wahan. Which type of adverb? ये तो simple है. Whenever we are talking with about यहाँ वहाँ, here, there, outside.
Adverb of place.
Yes. We are talking about the place, then it will be adverb of place. Here, there, outside, upstairs, downstairs. These all are the adverb of place. Someone is waiting outside. Again, same thing. Yes, Neela.
Ma'am.
Place, adverb of place. We should always help in needy. We should always help the needy. So here, which word is adverb? Here is always. Understand? and this is adverb of frequency. Means हम कोई काम कर रहे हैं but किस वेव में कर रहे हैं, किस स्पीड में कर रहे हैं. क्या हम कभी कभी करते हैं, क्या हम डेली करते हैं, क्या हम ऑलवेज करते हैं, क्या हम ऑफन करते हैं. Understand? So this is called frequency. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of quality means कि कोई वर्क हो रहा है बट वो कैसे हो रहा है, हैप्पीली हो रहा है, फास्ट हो रहा है, स्लोली हो रहा है. Understand? This is adverb of quality. Adverb of time, today, tomorrow, in the morning, evening. As we already studied in our earlier chapters, please revise that. Understand, it's important. Underline the preposition in the given sentence. Here we have to underline the preposition. Please look at the camera. The word which joins the sentence to complete it. As you can see, at the camera, at. The ball was under the table. Under is preposition. The thief was hiding behind the curtain. Behind the curtain. He is sitting on the sofa. On. He gave the book to me. Yes, Rishabh. What is the answer? He gave the book to me. Which is preposition?
Ma'am, two.
Two is preposition. I live near the school. Which is preposition? Sparsh.
Ma'am, near.
Yes, near is preposition. I kept the vegetable in the refrigerator. Neela. What is the which is the preposition here?
In.
Yes, in is the preposition. The boy jumped into the swimming pool. Which is preposition? Yes, sanskar. Sanskar. Now, tell me.
Ma'am, into.
Yes, into is the preposition. Very good. Now move to the next exercise. Circle the preposition in the bracket. Again, the preposition exercise aa gaya. Okay, chalo. The cap seller was sleeping on or under the tree. So it will be
Under.
yes.
Under.
Under.
It will be the under the tree. अच्छा है कि टिक लगा देते हैं. Under the tree. That boy is standing in front of the gate or in the gate?
In front of the gate.
In front of the gate. The letter K at Sunday, at Saturday, on Saturday.
Ma'am, on.
On Saturday.
The school will be in December, at December.
At.
Ma'am, at.
Who is saying at?
Ma'am, in.
I disturbed the chocolate. I distributed the chocolates among or between the children.
Among.
Ma'am, among.
Among. They returned home on 8 o'clock or at 8 o'clock. What is the answer?
Ma'am, at.
Ma'am, at.
At 8 o'clock. I stayed in Japan on or from January 2010 to from May 2010. I stayed in Japan from January 2010 to May 2010. Understand? This is the answer. A boat is sailing in the bridge, under the bridge.
Under.
Ma'am, under the bridge.
Under the bridge, yes. I hope that you understood all the questions. Now this exercise, underline the conjunction and fill in the blanks with suitable conjunction. Punctuate the sentence in capital letter. I hope that you all can do this. And this one also. Let's complete these two exercises. Underline the conjunction in the following words. He will come today or next week, which is conjunction. Yes, Sparsh.
Ma'am, on.
Or. I called him twice, but he did not answer. Which is conjunction here? Yes, Sparsh. Avi Gupta, tell me.
Ma'am, twice.
No, but But is a conjunction which is joining two word sentences. Na? Tanya is late to school because she missed
Ma'am,
the bus.
ma'am,
Yes,
because
because.
the
Very
answer.
good, Leela.
Ma'am,
It
because.
was very cold when we went for a walk.
The answer is when.
No, not when.
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 W-H-E-N. When. If you go to the market, bring vegetables.
When. Bring.
Ma'am, bring.
Two. She draw well, though she has not taken drawing lessons.
And though.
Yes,
Though.
though.
Do.
Move to the next exercise, which is fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions from the given words. Dash, John and Jeet are absent today. What is the answer? Yes, Sparsh.
And both.
Yes,
Ma'am, both.
both.
Ma'am, both.
Both. She went to the market. Dash, she had to buy vegetables. What is the answer? Number two. Because. I had fever, so I went to the doctor. I will let you come in if you show your ID card. Stay here until the rain stops. Please go to the park. Dash, ask Rahul to come home now. Please go to
Until.
and until we have already used. Until you go to the and. I hope that you all have done all these exercises. The next two, I think two exercises are there which you all have to complete by yourself. Yes, these two exercises you all have to do by yourself. Complete it and send it to me. And this chapter, our PT2
I have completed all exercises, ma'am.
good. With this chapter, our PT2 portion of English grammar is completed. So from our next class, we'll move to the English glitter. Understand? From next chapter, we'll move to the English glitter. And we'll start new chapter of English glitter. So students, that's all for today's class. We'll meet in our next class. Okay? Good day.
Thank you and good day, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am.
Thank you.